Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that DGrid AI token is legit or a scam. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. Firstly, you have to open this token on CoinMarketCap, and here you can check bullish and bearish comment. After that, go to social media section and click on Telegram. Then you will open this token on Telegram, and here you will search scam, and here you can check all comments in detail related to scam. After that, go to CoinMarketCap and copy this address. After that, you have to open Dex tool and paste here copied address, and you will open this token, and here you can check audit scan, and you can also check all the transaction details. After that, you have to open CoinMarketCap and click on market section. Now here you can check this token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Bybit, OKX and other popular exchanges. After that, you have to click on Explorers and go to holder section. Now here you can check all the holders transaction details. So if I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching. 20% chances that it is a scam and 80% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.